Hi guys, this is the band. Gardening is the topmost and the finest hobby in the world, I think. It gives me relaxation, inner peace and satisfaction. I think everyone in the world should take gardening as hobby, at least as a mandatory activity. As because pollution, global warming are the catastrophes which are destroying our world day by day. We should take some action. We should take some activity which are environment friendly and dedicated towards Mother Earth. Gardening is the best activity which can save our world. If we are living in flats or apartment, we can keep at least one or two plant in our balcony. We can go for indoor plants in our which can be kept inside the house or inside the flat, which doesn't require that much sunlight. I think this is also a good kind of activity that children can take. They will definitely enjoy taking care of the plants. uh, One thing I can still remember, 1 year earlier or few days, uh, soils of these plants were nothing but darts for me. One day, my wife requested me to bring some coriander seeds and spread it over uh, in front of our house. There's an adjacent place, there's an adjacent ground to spread it over there. Now, when the sprouts came out, coriander grown, I was just moved. I was just out of the world, and I decided to take gardening as my hobby. Now, I have more than 30 kinds of plants in my house, in my rooftop garden, in the adjacent place of my house. Now, even there was certain time when I used to be late for my office, as because I do gardening in morning after waking up. Another thing which mesmerized me was growth of plant from cutting. Actually, I bought a few plants from nursery when I took gardening as my hobby. After few days, I was caring all the plants, the bougainvillea, one of the plant which I bought from the nursery, started dying. Even today, I don't know what was the actual reason for that dying. After many suggestion and many application, there was no chance of survival. What last thing I have done, I cut the plant into small pieces, in three pieces. I just placed some indole butyric acid kind of a hormone in the cutting side, and put it inside simple soil without any fertilizer in a pot, and covered the whole pot in a plastic bag, because I got to know that humidity is required in such cases where we want to grow a plant from a cutting. Now, within 2 weeks, sprouts came out from the stems of that bougainvillea cutting. Now, I think you are motivated enough to take gardening as your hobby or any kind of mandatory activity, whatever you say. I generally discuss gardening, environmental issues, and child development in nature nurture. My daughter is my inspiration for working with child development as subject and as for discussion in nature nurture. Nature nurture has a YouTube channel, a nice Facebook page, and an Instagram account. All the links are provided with the video. You can subscribe all the channels, you can follow the pages for all the updates. I hope you will enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.